If you could make hundreds in passive income in only 5 minutes, would you do it? If yes, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into this fascinating investment opportunity in the stock market. QYLD, or the Global X NASDAQ 100 Covered Call ETF, is a unique ETF that combines the stability of the NASDAQ 100 with the income-generating potential of covered call options. In simple terms, it offers the chance to generate regular monthly passive income through dividends. So, let's explore how this passive income ETF works, and later discuss detailed examples with how to make passive income in just 5 minutes. Section 1. Understanding QYLD. Next, we will get into the potential income scenarios, but let's first understand how QYLD operates. The ETF consists of a portfolio of stocks from the NASDAQ 100 index, which includes popular companies like Costco, Pepsi, Nvidia and Google and many more. What sets QYLD apart is its strategy of selling covered call options on a portion of the stocks it holds. Covered call options involve selling the right to buy a stock at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. By selling these options, QYLD generates income in the form of premiums. This income is distributed to shareholder investors as monthly dividends. The ETF aims to strike a balance between generating income through options and participating in the overall performance of the NASDAQ 100. Buying shares is as easy as opening an account with a brokerage such as Webull or E-Trade. After that, it's depositing money into your brokerage account and buying QYLD shares, which takes 5 minutes or less. Check out the links in the description for more information with everything discussed in this video. Section 2. Examples. Scenario 1. Monthly investment of $150. Imagine you invest $150 per month in QYLD, assuming a share price of $17.65. And this passed May monthly dividend of $0.1682. In the first year, you would have invested a total of $1,800, $150 per month multiplied by 12 months. Considering the share price of $17.65, you would own approximately 101.41 shares of QYLD by the end of the first year. Multiplying the number of shares by the monthly dividend, you would receive $17.06 in monthly dividends. By reinvesting these dividends each month, which can be done automatically by your broker, you would be buying additional shares of QYLD. Over time, this compounding effect can significantly boost your income. After 5 years, your total shares would increase to about 772.58, and your monthly dividend income would amount to $129.93. Scenario 2. Monthly investment of $500. Now, let's explore a scenario with a higher monthly investment of $500. With this increased investment, you would have contributed $6,000 in the first year. Based on the same share price and monthly dividend stated earlier, you would own around 338.16 shares of QYLD by the end of the first year, and result in $56.79 monthly dividend income, assuming reinvestment of dividends for each scenario. After 5 years, your total number of shares would increase to approximately 2,033.73, and your $341.63 in monthly dividend income. Before we get to the next scenario, check out the links in the description. And if you like the video so far, comment below, like, and subscribe for more investment insights. Scenario 3. Monthly investment of $1,000. In our third scenario, let's consider a monthly investment of $1,000, which could be done with an annual salary of $50,000 to $60,000. This amounts to a total contribution of $12,000 in the first year, and you would own around 676.32 shares of QYLD by the end of the first year, and a $113.72 in monthly dividends. After 5 years, your total number of shares would increase to approximately 4,067.44, and give you $683.12 in monthly dividend income. Scenario 4. Monthly investment of $1,500. With this increased investment, you would have contributed $18,000 in the first year. you would own around 1,014.48 shares of QYLD by the end of the first year. This would result in a monthly dividend of $170.42. After 5 years, your shares would increase to approximately 6,101.41 and generate $1,026.27 in monthly dividend income. Scenario 5. Monthly investment of $2,000. In our fifth scenario, this amounts to a total contribution of $24,000 in the first year. You would own around 1,352.64 shares of QYLD by the end of the first year. This would result in a monthly dividend of $227.44 and can be enough monthly income to pay a bill or two. After 5 years, you would own approximately 8,102.92 shares and a $1,361.14 monthly dividend income. That can pay rent or mortgage for some. Now, all of these scenarios kept the share price and the dividend payout the same for simplicity purposes, but you can expect fluctuations over time. Remember, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and understand your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon before making any investment decisions. And don't forget about those pesky taxes. As you saw, investing in the ETF QYLD can provide you with an excellent opportunity to generate regular monthly passive income through its dividend payouts. So what if you went all in on QYLD? Check out this next QYLD video to find out, and if you want to know more about growth dividend stocks, check out our Blue Chip Dividend Investing Guide playlist.